Geometrical Optics, Unit 13, Physics, Class 10th. Question 1. Which phenomenon explains the bending of light when it passes from one medium to another? Answer: refraction. Question 2. What is the principal focus of a concave mirror? Answer: the point where parallel rays converge after refraction. Question 3. Which device use total internal refraction? Answer: optical fibers. Question 4. What causes the formation of a rainbow? Answer: refraction and dispersion of light through water droplets. Question 5. What type of lens is used to correct farsightedness? Answer: convex lens. Question 6. In which phenomenon does light split into its 7 colors? Answer: dispersion. Question 7. What is the critical angle? Answer: the angle at which light is refracted at 90 degrees. Question 8. What happens when light refracted from a smooth surface? Answer: regular refraction. Question 9. Which instrument use lens to magnify small objects? Answer: microscope. Question 10. A prism is mainly used to demonstrate which optical phenomena are refraction and dispersion. Question 11. Which part of an optical step is responsible for producing light? Answer: lamp. Question 12. What is the function of the condenser in an optical instrument? Answer: collect and direct light. Question 13. What is the main purpose of a lens in optical instrument? Answer: to focus or magnify light. Question 14. The negative curtain in a photography in large is used for? Answer: holding photography negative. Question 15. What does the lens focusing cone control? Answer: image-sharpness. Question 16. The easel in an enlarged setup is used to? Answer: hold the photography paper. Question 17. The basis of an optical instrument serves the purpose of? Answer: supporting the entire setup. Question 18. What is the main causes of refraction of a light? Answer: change in the speed of light. Question 19. What happens when light passes through prism? Answer: it splits into its spectrum of colors. Question 20. What type of lens is used to correct nearsightedness? Answer: concave lens. Question 21. Which phenomenon occurs in optical fibers? Answer: total internal refraction. Question 22. What is the angle of incidence equal to in refraction? Answer: angle of refraction. Question 23. What is the shape of the lens in the human eye? Answer: convex. Question 24. What happens when light hits a raw surface? Answer: diffused refraction. Question 25. Which color of light has the shortest wavelength? Answer: violet. Question 26. What is the main use of prism in optics? Answer: to spread white light into colors. Question 27. Which phenomenon makes a swimming pool appear smaller than it really is? Answer: refraction. Question 28. What is the focal length of a plane mirror? Answer: infinite. Question 29. What determines the color of light? Answer: frequency of light. Question 30. What is the angle of incidence equal to in refraction? Answer: angle of refraction.